Sweetheart, Daddy not right.
Project Overview Description: The Excavator. This mechatronics project focuses on the design and functional analysis of an excavator, broken down into its core mechanical and hydraulic systems. The machine is engineered to translate fluid power into high force physical work through a series of specialized sub-assemblies. Exploded view and compiled view. It's pretty self-explanatory, so you might as well just listen to some music as you watch. Before we resume the video, I want to take a moment to stress how rough our first assembly was. I mean, look at this. The dipper is going in with the boom, and you can see the hydraulic cylinder and piston just disappeared into the dipper. It was honestly rough times. Motion study. Now, this one was quite tricky as it was hard to navigate around. Walkthrough, the hardest bit in the whole clip. It took us long because we wanted to fix the cameras, and it was hard to get the perfect alignment to show off the shoe. Thermal stress studies. Boom. It is fixed from the unconnecting turret bed and experiences stress force of 300 kN from the bucket. Cylinder experiences internal pressure from compressed hot oil pushing inside out. Piston stress experiences internal compression from hot oil pushing against the touching face. Piston displacement changes in length due to compression and thermal expansion. Topology. The primary goal of the study is weight reduction while maintaining structural integrity. By identifying areas that do not contribute to strength, engineers can remove excess material. Photorealistic motion. The end. This video is brought to you by KYM Productions, established 2026.